Hello everyone, welcome to our Linux administration course. In this series, we'll learn Linux from absolute beginner level using real-world hands-on labs. By the end of this course, you'll be able to install, manage, and troubleshoot Linux servers just like a junior Linux system administrator. Today's lesson is our very first task, installing Ubuntu Server inside VirtualBox. Let's get started. The first thing we need is the Ubuntu Server installation file, also called the ISO image. Open your browser and go to the official Ubuntu website. Download the latest Ubuntu Server LTS version. Save it somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, we'll move to the next step. Next, we need software that lets us run another operating system inside our computer. We'll use Oracle VirtualBox. Download and install VirtualBox using the default settings. After installation, open VirtualBox. Click New. For the machine name, enter Ubuntu-Server-Lab. Select Type, Linux version, Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. Allocate 2048 megabytes, which is 2 gigabytes of RAM. Click Next. Choose Create a Virtual Hard Disk. Select VDI, choose Dynamically Allocated. Set the disk size to 25 gigabytes. Click Finish. Congratulations, you have created your first virtual machine. Select your virtual machine. Click Settings, open Storage. Select the empty optical drive. Choose a disk file. Locate the Ubuntu Server ISO you downloaded earlier. Click OK. Click Start. After a few seconds, you'll see the Ubuntu installer. Choose Install Ubuntu Server. Select your language. Choose your keyboard layout. Click Done. Accept the default network settings. Click Done. For beginners, we'll let Ubuntu use the entire virtual disk. Choose Use Entire Disk. Click Done. Confirm the changes. Remember, this only affects the virtual machine, not your real computer. Now let's create our administrator account. For example, your name, John Doe, server name, Linux-lab, username, John, password 123 trillion. Choose a strong password that you'll remember. Click Done. This is an important step. Enable Install OpenSSH Server. SSH allows you to connect remotely to your Linux server. We'll use it in future lessons. Click Done. Ubuntu will now install the operating system. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the installation finishes, click Reboot Now. Remove the ISO if VirtualBox asks you to. Wait for the server to restart. You'll now see the login screen. Enter the username and password you created. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Ubuntu Server. Let's confirm everything is working correctly. First, check the current user, whoAIM. Now check the hostname, display the Ubuntu version, cat/etc/os-release. Check the kernel version, uname-r. Display the server IP address, ipaddr show. Check available disk space, df-h. Finally, check available memory, free-h. If all these commands work correctly, your installation was successful. Before the next class, complete the following. 1. Install Ubuntu Server in VirtualBox. 2. Log in successfully. 3. Run every command demonstrated in this video. 4. Take screenshots of your results. 5. Submit your screenshots along with a short report describing your experience. Excellent work! Today, you learned how to install Ubuntu Server from scratch and verify that it's working correctly. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to navigate Linux directories, create files and folders, and master the most important Linux commands every system administrator should know. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe and join me in the next class.